Visit my website and use the trading center that I use on all my videos. I also offer a free NADEX course and 2 other memberships that give you access to custom indicators and educational videos about my style and trading strategy that I use on the NADEX platform. If you want to trade like me, join the Mastery membership. You will have access to all the videos, indicators, chat rooms, and more. I will also post alerts from which I will be trading off of throughout the day. You can also use that to mimic my trades and we can both start making money together. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to My Trading Mindset. So quick recap about last week. I started the challenge late and I was only able to trade 3 days. I traded on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. On Friday I had family day and I wasn't able to jump on and do any trades. I was pretty busy. So what I'm gonna do now is withdraw my profits and I'm gonna put my account back to $100, and I might start another challenge or I'm just gonna start building up my account again. I'm not sure yet, but just want to show you guys that I'm going to withdraw the profit that I made in 3 days. So in 3 days I made $306.25. I had one loss of $100, as you saw in the previous videos. I knew I shouldn't have took that trade. Going over the video, I keep, I had a feeling that I was gonna lose it, but I just took a chance, and that's what happens, guys. Whenever you just take a chance, more than likely you're gonna lose. You just have to know what trades to get into. On that one, I just jumped in it because I was thinking that it was gonna bounce back down, but it didn't. So, but all in all, I think in 3 days, $300, that's fine. Just trading off of a $100 account. I don't see that as a bad day or a bad week, especially it being only 3 days. So let me go ahead and start my withdrawal so I can start my next challenge, or so I can start building it back up. So let's go ahead and start withdrawing right now. Give me a second. Oops. Alright guys, welcome back. As I've done before, I just went ahead and blocked out my my bank information. So what I'm gonna do now is just withdraw the $306.25 into my bank account. As you can see, there's 0 transaction fee, so that's always great. And request withdrawal. It says your payment request has been successful. So that's it, guys. My account is back to $100, as you can see here, and I'll start trading probably tomorrow. It's already pretty late in the day. I didn't get on much today, but let's see if tomorrow I have a good day, and we'll go from there, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.